The JFG extension identifies a JAlbum filter settings file containing image processing configurations for the JAlbum web photo gallery application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or troubleshoot these photo gallery filter files. My experience tells me that some JFG files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. JFG files are filter settings files for JAlbum, a web photo album creation application. They contain image processing filter configurations, including resize parameters, sharpening settings, watermark definitions, and color adjustment values applied during gallery generation. JAlbum JFG files store filter chain definitions with parameter values for image transformation. Operations apply to photos during album generation. They enable consistent image processing across all photos in a gallery, with customizable quality and enhancement settings. Datadose in AB maintains the integrity of the JFG specification through JAlbum. Windows can preview the image, but lacks the internal codec for true rendering. Windows can open config files, but safe editing requires familiarity with the settings. To force the file open, right-click your JFG file and select Open With. If JAlbum is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If your JFG file will not open yet, do not panic. We're facing a complicated JFG error. Let's move to the testing phase and check these critical common failure points to find the fault. First, loading filter settings. Open JAlbum and navigate to Settings, then Images, then Filter Settings. Import the JFG file to apply saved filter configurations to your current album project. The filters are applied during album generation to process all images consistently. Next, customizing filters. In JAlbum, configure image processing filters, including resize dimensions, output quality sharpening amount, and watermark settings. Save the configured filter chain as a JFG file for reuse across multiple album projects and consistent image treatment. Finally, sharing configurations. Distribute JFG files to share standardized image processing configurations with other JAlbum users. Recipients import the JFG settings to apply identical resize sharpening and quality parameters, ensuring consistent gallery output across team projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.